Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a company called Soufeel, which is a jewelry company based in New York. They reached out to me and they're like, hey, would you like to review our jewelry? So they customized some jewelry for me, and it's a necklace and a ring. This video is not a sponsored video, and even if it was, I would definitely keep it real with you. If I didn't like something, then I don't like it. That's just what it is. And I'm going to be showing you in just a second. I was able to choose what exactly I wanted on the jewelry, which is a customizable necklace and ring. If you know me, then you know that I absolutely love gold jewelry. I prefer gold jewelry over silver, but I do wear silver, as you can see. I'm wearing silver now, but I absolutely love how gold looks on my skin. It's a name necklace. It says Patrice on there, and I really love how classy it looks. The chain is not too big and the words are perfect size. So you can choose on where you want to place your necklace, whether you want it to be closer to your neck or further from your neck. So I'm just gonna place it on my neck so you can see what it looks like on me. Hopefully I could place it on my neck properly because I got nails. And they get in the way. This is the first loop on the necklace. This is how close it could be. When I was much younger, I always wanted a necklace like this, and now I have it, but your girl is like 26, so it's been a long time. So I actually have worn this necklace while I was showering. I forgot to take it off. The chain or the name part of my necklace did not tarnish, which is great, but you just don't want to practice to wear this in the shower. But it looks good as new, and I wore this probably about like 4 or 5 times already, so I really love it. It's really nice and simple, classy. You can choose whatever you want on your necklace, so it doesn't have to be your name. It could be anything, really. So I really like it. I should have got like Spiffy or something. I should have got like something else now that I think about it, but it's okay. I really like it. It's my name, can't go wrong with my name. So with the necklace, I did receive this jewelry bag, which is like a velvet type of jewelry bag. You can place your jewelry in there and you can keep it nice and away from dust, and so it can basically have its home. As for this ring, I love the packaging of the ring. It comes into this black box and it just opens up so cute. Like, isn't that cute? I like that. It's very creative how they did this. So this says Bespiffybeyou. If you don't know what Bespiffybeyou is, it's a part of my brand. It's actually my Instagram handle, but I'm not on Instagram anymore for the time being, but it is still a part of my brand. My brand is Bespiffybeyou, and I absolutely love this. This is actually a rose gold ring. I find it interesting how this ring can fit most of my fingers, which is very rare that I find a ring that can fit most of my fingers. It usually could just fit one. And this is not like a ring that you can just squish and crumble like a popcorn ring. Yeah, I just find that very interesting because it could fit literally. Like, I can wear it on this finger. I can wear it on my middle finger. Listen, I can wear it on most of my fingers. This one is a little loose, but I can still wear it on there. I can wear it on my thumb. It's very sturdy, and it's very simple and nice and cute. You know, I like fashion and stuff, so this is something that, you know, that I could jazz up and kind of give some personality. So I would definitely recommend, if you do purchase from Soufeel, that you actually take care of the jewelry that you receive. Don't get them too wet all the time and things like that. They do have homes. Store them in the jewelry bag that is given, and as well as this casing that they have for the ring, which is super cute. I love how they did this. Like, this is like bomb packaging. But yes, I want to thank Soufeel for actually reaching out to me and sending me these two jewelries. I absolutely love them. So if you do decide to purchase from Soufeel, make sure you use my coupon code to get money off. Save you some coins, sis. Okay, save you some coins. Use my coupon code, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notifications are on, because, you know, YouTube be tripping. They don't be letting you know that your girl posted a video, which I will be doing a lot more. Okay, so thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Be spiffy and be you. Peace.